So now let's see how we can work around with radial blur inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I am in the effects tab right here, and here you can see that I have a video clip. So in order to add in a radial blur to this, I'm going to go around and expand the blurs folder right here, and here you can see that radial blur is an option. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and click and drag the radial blur over here on this particular video clip right here, and you can see that the radial blur is added in. And as I were to go around and click and drag around this particular dot right here, you can see that the radial blur goes here and there, just like this. So if I were to go around over here and change around the angle, you can see that this is what you have. So the radial blur is actually applied right here. You can go around and utilize this little line right here to change around the amount of radial blur, just like this as well. Apart from that, you can go around over here and change around this to basic right here, or heavy right here, just like this, or subtle right here, just like this, or top left heavy right here. So it goes around onto the top left, and you got this radial right around on this particular level as well. So you can go around and change around the angle to really high or low as you like right here. So that is how you can go around and work around with radial blur inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.